In spaces like this, vaulting, enclosure, and elevated form do more than create beauty. They gather the voice, carry it, give it weight. You can imagine the Imam's words moving through the air differently here, held by the curvature, returned by stone, deepened by enclosure. And that matters because prayer in a place like this is not just spoken, it is spatially supported. The dome, the vault, the echo, the gathered air, all of it helps create a setting in which sound becomes presence. In Fez, spirituality was not added onto architecture afterward. It was built into the experience of being inside it.